So Liam, thank you again for taking your time and thank you for participating in this round table. What would you say are your main takes from the round table?
Okay, thank you, Max, and it was a pleasure to be here. And while I came here to talk about the importance of global education to issues of global justice, what I take away is the important and inspirational role of Slovenia, both in and the multilateral level, with your engagement with the FAO and European leadership within the FAO, to work more locally, both here in Slovenia and globally, and with a particular emphasis on the fact that untied aid as a development cooperation mechanism can lead to greater freedom for long-term focus, and also the unashamed focus on the bees, which is really inspirational. So thank you, Max.
Thanks to you, Liam, and looking forward to the conference next year and further collaboration with Sloga. Thank you.